Beauté, Kombonagai, Fabrice.
Komborangai Ruffin. Today we'll be playing a game where we'll be showing a picture of food and we're supposed to answer by saying, I ate this type of food. So I wish you the best fortune in the wars to come.
Easy win for me.
All right, let's do this.
Easy win for me.
Let's do this. That's them ones. You know them
We
ones?
learned that one. It's coming to me. I just have to think about it. I just have to.
Let me think.
Don't
go.
go.
No, I tapped it.
But I said it first.
No, but you gotta tap it. Tap it.
What?
That's a point for me. You gotta tap it.
I don't even think you said it properly.
No. My desu. Yeah, baby. Let's go. You can't go. You can't move. You gotta say. You gotta know the word.
Oh, say it. Then tap it. You know the word.
I don't know the word.
Nunda.
No, I said it.
I tapped it first.
Okay, 2-1. 2-1.
2-1.
Next one is...
Why are you getting nervous?
No, I'm good. Oi.
Did we learn that in class? I think so.
That's them words. That's
that
expertise.
That's like expert level.
You guys think it is?
Pumbwa.
Pumba. Ah, that's a classic. Pumba, that's a classic.
That's a dub.
And
Oh shit.
Seconds if he does answer. Makayabu! Ah! Let's go! That's a win, baby. Won the tiebreaker. Won the tiebreaker. Oh!
Well, if you guys want more content like that, you already know where to find us. Yekola Lingala on all platforms.
And if
Catch
you want
me
to
when I
challenge
can.
the champion, come at me, baby.
Dude, I'm ready for a rematch right now.
No
if we need
rematch.
it.
I'm the champ, baby. Got the
Hey, you gotta
W.
defend your championship like the
All right,
Raptors.
then come at me. I'm wearing it right now.
Wow.
I'm wearing the championship belt right here.
I don't see it at all.
awesome. Thank you so much, guys.